Gold throughout the day failed to go past on the upside above 1821 and below 1814 on the downside. Remember, this was the no trade zone I told you early in the day in my morning analysis morning video. Likewise, US 30 failed to go past 33 400 500 zone and now trying to trade with a little drop, and US 100 too failed to go past 11 to 80 levels and now trading with a drop. So now what to expect with the US cash session, and before that the US GDP data, which is going to be an important driving factor for the markets. Which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Stick to the levels, trade as per the levels. If it's a buy entry, buy it. If it's a sell entry, sell it. That's it. And yes, do not forget to trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Let's start. First we look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100, towards the end Dow Jones. Now these are the hourly charts for gold, and you can find out clearly it is trying to create higher base, and this time 1812 1814 zone, this is giving it a very strong support. As I shared early in the day also, that 1812 to 1808, this zone is going to be important for gold, and any point of time if you see it trading below 1812, yes, you can sell, but then expect 1808 also as a good support and 1805 as a good support. Now on the upside you can clearly see 1820 acting as a very strong resistance. In the morning also it failed to go past and now trying to look upwards from here. If you see it trading above 1821, again go long, and possibly you can expect 1825, 1836 is the next target, and then 1850 my next target. Directional movement, again trying to diverge and trade bullish. Stochastic comfortable. The MACD is bearish and it is trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. RSI is trying to look upwards here, trying to trade bullish. Look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, first thing is we are looking at lower highs. So once definitely it breaks past 1821, certainly you can remain long. At the same time, higher lows are consistently seen. Hence this indicates that there is a probability that 1825-26 levels can get achieved, but this should be a good resistance, and beyond that 1830-36 zones should be there today itself if it continues to trade above 1821. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is trying to reverse here. The MACD is bearish here, trying to trade in red. Probably it may convert crossover. RSI is looking upwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, see another way to look at it is definitely there is a resistance. Yes, higher lows are seen. There could be a squeeze. Once it breaks down below 1812, certainly more bearishness. 1810, 1808. See, this zone between 1812 and 1808 is important, because below that 1805, 1801 and 1795, this zone will come into picture, that is 1790, 1795 levels. I will be watchful and be cautious in this zone. Directional movement is bullish. It is trying to converge a bit. Stochastic has seen a drop and now trying to trade comfortable. The MACD is divergent and bearish. It has crossed over. This is just third red candle and this is still trying to trade in red. RSI is trying to look upwards. It is already trading near to the top there. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, lower highs. Also look at the previous 2 candles, flat bottom, and if you look at this zone, it is trying to give you higher lows, lower highs. This is kind of a flag here, and once it breaks past 1821, certainly more bullishness. But the nearest resistance at 1824-25 is strong, and then see, first zone, rather I will say 1824-26 is important. Beyond that 1830 will come into picture, then 36, 50, 45 and 50 levels to be seen. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic comfortable. MACD is green and it is trying to cross over for a sell. Let's see if it does. RSI is already trading near to the highs. Now look at the daily charts here. Now look at gold's daily chart. Higher lows are seen, and now if it continues to rise, continues to trade above the zone at 1825-26, in fact I will say in beyond 1813, then next I will look forward to 1836, and beyond that certainly you can expect it to fly past 1845-50 zone. It is looking forward to this type of candle, possibly, which is almost $30, and if you count $30 from here, almost, if it's not, then at least 1815, then if you count it, 1836, 1845 levels, this zone possibly is achievable. Just stay long above 1821, and the confirmation of bullishness is above 1825-26 zone. just trade with the stop loss. It can act volatile, and hence you have to stick to the stop losses. As below 1808 also it is going to trade bearish, and hence you have to prevent your losses. You have to trade strictly with a trailing stop loss. On the direction movement is bullish, stochastic trading overbought. The MACD is trying to cross over for a bullish move. RSI trading near to the highs. Considering this, only sell entry today is below 1814 levels. Rather, if you want to trade safe, you can enter at 1812. Expect 1810, 1808, very strong support till 1808. Below that 1805, and then 1801, 1795, 1790 levels to be seen. This zone on the downside is going to play a very important role. On the upside, you can buy at 1821. Expect 1825, 26, and then 1830, 1836 levels, and then 1845 levels also can be expected. Yes, take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. See, Nasdaq 100 getting the resistance. See, previous zone was 11,300, and as you know, beyond that 350 and 385. This is going to be the next resistance. It in fact fell shy of this and reversed from close to 11,280 levels. Now trying to trade with a drop. Already it has seen a good drop. Now trying to reverse, and a reversal confirmation is only if it trades past this zone at 11,280, 11,300. Beyond 11,300, yes, you can definitely remain long, and you can expect it to rise more. Now also look at this 11,250 itself is giving it a resistance. Yes, you can buy at 11,250, but then you have to be very cautious till 11,300 and 340-50 zone, because that may give it a very strong resistance zone. Now see, directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is trading oversold on the hourly charts. The MACD is divergent and bearish. It is looking downwards, and the RSI is also trading comfortable near to bottom. Now look at the 2-hour charts. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, resistance there, but see 11,250 first resistance. Yes, if it breaks past this, you can buy. However, remember 11,280, 300, 340 till 340, there are good resistances. Beyond that, directly I will look forward to 385 and 400. Breaking past 400, you can stay long. Beyond 11,400, it may directly look into 11,600, 660 zone, which is going to be the next resistance zone. On the downside, 11,100, 150 very strong support, 100 the next, and 050 every 50 points there is a support, and below 11,050 it can show you further extreme bearishness. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold. The MACD is looking forward to crossover for a sell entry. The RSI is already looking downwards here. At the same time, look at the 3-hour charts. Now look at the 3-hour charts. See the wall there at 11,280, third red candle. If it trades past 11,250, you can buy, but then expect 11,280, 300. Similar observation, nothing different on the downside. This zone at 11,100 is going to be very strong support, and below that only is a little more bearishness. Might take it for 11,050 and 11,000 levels, and below that it is going to crash. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking downwards. MACD is trying to converge here, crossover for a sell. RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts. See, first thing is this candle also had a higher highs. However, these lows and these lows are little bit lower than this resistance zone, and hence it is trying to reverse from here. However, look at this 11,150 is going to be a very good support, because below 11,150 we can expect 11,120, 100 as a very good support, and below that further drop might take it further down. However, it may consider you can consider it for a reversal trading above 11,250 levels. Similar observation, nothing different. Stochastic was overbought, now looking downwards. The MACD is bullish, trying to converge. The RSI is also looking downwards, indicating little bearishness. Now look at the daily charts. See, on the daily charts, important observation. See, lower highs very well aligned, almost opening here at 11,250. Hence, this level is certainly a buying entry. However, 11,280, 300 zone, very good resistance. Beyond that, you can expect it to fly past 11,340, 11,385 and 400. And then beyond that, see, now if you look at this, on the downside, the support here is going to come at 11,150, 100 zone. Only below 100, you can expect a stronger bearishness. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic was oversold, now looking upwards. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge a bit. The RSI is looking downwards. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 11,250, but then expect 285, 300 as a very strong resistance zone, and beyond 300 you can expect 340, 385. Beyond 400 you can expect it to fly past 11,600 levels. It can give you very strong bullish candle there. It may try to take it till 11,500, 600 zone. That is one part to it. Second part, below 11,100, you can sell at 11,150, but remember 11,100 and 050. 11,050 is going to be very, very strong support. Below 11,050, you can expect it to drop more, and below 11,050 it will try to drop below 11,000, that is 10,970 first target, 10,914 next target. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. US 30 on the hourly chart signaling a reversal. The lows there at 33,250 very strong support, and 33,200 I told you in the morning also, only below 33,200 we can consider little bit bearishness. It is trying to take the support from the pivot and trying to reverse. If it trades past this zone at 11,300 or 33,350 levels, you can consider it for a buy. Then you can again expect 33,450 and 33,500 levels. Beyond 33,500 we may see very strong bullish momentum there. Directional movement here is bearish, stochastic oversold. MACD is bearish, it is trading with divergence. RSI trading comfortable with a little drop. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts it is taken the pivot, both the candles taking the support from same levels. It is trying to reverse. Once it trades beyond 33,350, yes, you can initiate. However, 33,400 450 levels, good resistance. Beyond that it is going to fly high. So see, there is a wall out here, it has to break past this wall at 33,460 levels. Beyond that you can expect it to trade extremely bullish. Directional movement is green, trying to converge. Stochastic oversold. MACD has crossed over, and this is a bearish cross. This is happening after long. It will be interesting to watch out here. RSI trading flat near to the highs. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, see, first thing is lower lows. However, getting the support from the pivot, it is trying to trade with a rise. Once it trades below 33,250, you can expect further drop. 33,200 is another support, and below that 33,100 levels to be seen. Below that further crash can take it below 33,000 levels, and then it may try to get the pit stop at 33,000 levels. Below that anyways it's a good crash. And if you look at the hourly charts, beyond 33,350 you can expect 33,400 as the first resistance. Beyond 33,400 stay long for 33,460 500 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic dropping. MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a sell. RSI is trading near to the highs. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts. Likewise, it has created the tail, trying to trade with the rise. Probably once it trades beyond 33,460, directly we may see it hitting 33,600 levels, and beyond that certainly it is going to fly high. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic was overbought, now looking downwards. The MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. And if you look at the RSI, this is trading near to the highs there. But look at the daily chart. See, on the daily charts, higher highs are seen. Tail is going to get created. Once it breaks past 33,500, you can expect very good bullish move, which might take it for 33,800, and 34,000 levels are also possible. Directional movement moderately bearish. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. The RSI is trading flat or looking downwards. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 33,350, but then expect 33,400, 460 as the major resistance. Beyond that, it is going to fly past 33,500, and then 33,600 is the next target. 33,600 very strong resistance. Then 33,800 levels will be seen directly. My expectation, probably it may try to see 33,800, and then in fact it can try to inch closer to 34,000 levels. On the downside, below 33,250 you can sell, but then expect 33,200 levels, and below that 33,100 is the next target. Then 33,000, 32,900 levels to be seen. 32,800 is the major support. Till the time it trades above 32,800, probability of a rise exists. Hence you have to trade with a caution. On the downside you have to trade with a trailing stop loss either which ways, such that in case of reversal or a swing, your trade closes in profit. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.